Hi, my dearest friends. Congratulations on becoming an intuitive healing practitioner. Now, since you have completed the course, you can start your own intuitive healing business. And in this video, I want to show you, demonstrate you a few steps how to do it. I would break down this process of creating your own business in 3 steps. Step number 1, getting clients. Step number 2, preparing a room where clients come, or you can do it from Zoom, then you don't need a room, special room. And step number 3 is to create healing plan for each individual client. So start from step number 1, how to get clients. There are many ways how to get clients. The most common, what I see, how people do it, is word of mouth. You can tell your friends, you can attend some spiritual groups and tell people what you do. You can ask your friends to recommend you, or you can ask other practitioners to recommend you to their clients. I rely more on internet. I get a lot of clients from internet. I put advertisement on Facebook. I advertise on my personal page. So if you create your personal page for your business page on Facebook, it will help you to attract clients that want to do sessions with you. You can put small ads on Facebook. It's called pay-per-click ads on Facebook. It doesn't cost much if you keep monitoring how much money spent. It's very easy to do, so Facebook marketing. Then you can put an ad on Google Ads. It's also, it doesn't have to be expensive. You can just put, like, say, $100 for a month just to spend, and yeah, for $100 you can get quite a few clients, I'm sure. So it's what I do. Then you can put an ad in a local newspaper or in a local magazine. You can attend spiritual events like spiritual fair, spiritual festivals. You can get your own booth, like a stand at these events, and to show people and even demonstrate. You can do demonstrations of what you do for them and explain them what you do in your business. So this is how you can get clients. So step number 2, have a room, or you can do it on Zoom. So how to get a room? It can be in your own house. So any spare room in your own house, maybe you have a spare bedroom, a lounge room, anywhere, maybe you have an office in your house. So it will do. It's what I do. I normally work from home, and most people I know in the same business, intuitive healing business, they work from home. Nowadays you don't have to bring people into your house. You can do everything online on Zoom. So if you choose to see people on Zoom, then you will need to create a Zoom account, and you probably will need to pay for subscription, Zoom subscription, because Zoom allowed only 40 minutes free video. So if your sessions less than 40 minutes, you can do it for free, but my sessions 1 hour and longer, so I do 60 to 90 minutes sessions, and this is what I recommend you to have a session minimum 60 minutes. So for 60 minutes you will need to pay a small subscription fee to Zoom to have longer sessions. So, well, I think this is quite easy. So step number 3, creating healing plans for each individual clients. It's very individual. Healing plans are very individual. So what I do, how I create healing plans for different clients, each client, when they contact me on maybe on Facebook or via email or call me, I ask them date of birth, full name, and I ask them, what is your major problem? What you want to heal during this session? I need their intention, what problems they want to solve. So why do I ask this information? Name, I ask their name because name has energy, and you can connect to people's name distantly. So before I see them on Zoom or they come to my place, I connect to their name. We did all these exercises, how to connect to a person's name and how to read information from person's name. So check into your files and it's all there. So I need their date of birth to see their numerology. The basic things you can do is to calculate their life path number. It's when you add all the digits in their date of birth and come with one single digit and look at what it means, this life path number, what it means. I have provided a link to a website which I find very useful to read about different life paths, and this website also has free life path calculator. Okay, so look at this website and just try a few date of birth to see what information you will get from there. But it's quite good. I really like this website. I also use their date of birth to see their astrological information. This is what we studied in a certificate course, in diploma course, and advanced diploma course, how to get astrological information. But of course, the topic is quite deep, so you can just get information what we learn during these courses. So it's also very helpful. I ask them their intention, what they want to heal, ask them to describe their major problem. So when I connect to their aura, when I connect to their biofield, I see what is the real problem, why they have illness. And then I look at their intention. Sometimes it's different. So this discrepancy between their intention and it's what really is going on can be just a real reason why they sick. So this would be kind of like a target for you, what you need to do with them. What they think it is, it's actually not what's actually happening in their life. So you can discuss with them these things. So how to start? For the first session, it's individual, but in many cases, first session, what I do, I teach people to sense their own subtle energy, so they themselves feel this energy. And we did this exercise many times during the classes. Then, in the first session, I take them through body scan. So they able to tune into their body and feel subtle body energy in all body parts and in all organs. So for the first time, it would be just enough for most of them. For body scan meditation, you can use my meditations. I send you a lot of body scans, so you can use my meditations, or you can learn the script and just guide them yourself. For the second session, you can offer them aura cleansing. Aura cleansing consists of general sweeping from head to toes and local sweeping. So it can take you maybe at least 40-45 minutes to do full aura cleansing, general and local. And every time a client comes, you need to explain them what you're going to do and you need to talk and communicate with them. You need to ask their feedback, what they expect from you, what they want. So you have to leave maybe 15-20 minutes every time to communicate with the client, so they have a clear picture what you are doing and what is your intention for today's session. So session number 3 can be, you can do chakra work. You can go into their chakras, do chakra cleansing and chakra strengthening. Session number 4 can be the follow-up. Like you can check their aura again, you can check their chakras again, how what kind of improvements they experience since previous sessions with you. Next session, like session number 5, you can do organs cleansing. Session number 6, you can do again follow-up on their organs cleansing or on their aura cleansing. You can offer them past life regression if they're open to it. How to find out if they're open or not to do a past life regression with you? You just need to communicate with them. This is why you need to allocate at least 15 minutes each time to communicate with them and ask what they expect, how they feel after the session, and what their expectations from today's sessions. So keep this communication between you and a client going very well. So session number 7 can be, you can do archetypal profile on them. Archetypal profile and creating an archetypal wheel. It's a lot of work. You can break down creating archetypal wheel and archetypal profile in 3 or in 4 individual sessions. Depends on the individual, how long you need to spend. With some clients who are totally new to archetypes and have problems choosing their archetypes, you may need to spend at least few sessions just to pick their archetypes. And then other few sessions you create a wheel, and then you explain them how to match archetypes with the astrological houses. So you can do so much with them. I have sent you the list of techniques, and I also send you the price list. Price list, it's approximate prices you can use for all the techniques that we learn during the courses. Some special recommendations for clients who have serious illnesses, such as cancer. A lot of patients have cancer, maybe motor neuron illnesses, multiple sclerosis. They will need a lot of cleansing. So when they come, you may do different form of cleansing, start from aura cleansing, chakras cleansing, organs cleansing for many sessions. Then you can do strengthening after cleansing. So again, it depends on the individual, but people with serious illness, they do need a lot of cleansing. So they may don't need archetypal wheel or creating archetypal profile or past life regression, but they just need cleansing, and strengthening after cleansing. What to do with people who find themselves in a situation where they lost everything? Like the people lose their health, people lose their house, job, marriage, relationships. A very good technique, aura cleansing and aura recreation. So you basically recreate their whole aura. This is what they need because they lost everything. They go through death and rebirth archetype. This is their path. They go through this archetype, and it's what they need. They need to clean the whole aura and recreate new aura. People who have individual complaints such as migraines, for example, have headaches or shoulder pains, knee pains, You can do just cleansing of the organs. You can start from organs cleansing, then organ strengthening. Then you progress chakra cleansing, aura cleansing, and always communicate with them how they feel about what you do. These people who have just like problems like shoulder pains or knee pains, they can be open to more work like archetypal work, archetypal profile you can do on them, or past life regression. They are open normally, usually, if you offer this service to them and explain them what it is. People who take medication, you can always offer them clearing the toxicity of medication from their body. And there are lots of clients who takes medication or who may had chemotherapy, injections, any form of tablets, pills. So you can offer them, you can show your initiative and ask them if they want to clean medication out of their body, and people usually very open to it. How to do a cleansing medication from the body? Chakra clearing, aura clearing, organs clearing. So all the same what we learn, clearing, and then strengthening, same things. But if you offer, they normally say yes. So it's like a additional service you can provide to them. So I think it is like a healing plan. If you have any questions, please email me or ask me, and I will answer, create a specific answer for your questions.